what's your name?
My name is Maleeha.
Maleeha, what's your complete name?
My complete name is Maleeha Alam.
Maleeha Alam. Miss Maleeha Alam, where are you from?
I am from Chowga.
Chowga. In which class do you study?
I study in class 4.
Class 4. What do you want to be?
I want to be a soldier.
Soldier. You want to go to army?
Yes, sir.
That's good. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. And who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sir Rahat Ali.
Sir Rahat Ali is your favorite teacher. How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
You are 12 years old. Okay. What can you do very well?
I can drawing very well.
You can draw pictures very well. Your
Yes,
drawing
sir.
is very well.
Yes, sir.
Who taught you? Who taught you? Who made you understand about drawing?
Miss Mortaza.
Oh, taught you
Yes.
this skill?
Yes.
Very good. What's your favorite color?
Purple. My favorite color is purple.
Purple. And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is mango.
Mango. Okay, and I'm not asking about fruit. I'm asking about food. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Biryani. Okay. Can you make biryani?
No.
Who makes biryani in your family?
My mother make biryani in my family.
Okay. Can your father cook?
Yes, sir.
What can he cook?
Many things.
Many things. Is he a cook?
No, sir.
By profession, is he a cook?
No, sir.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Fakhri Alam.
Fakhri Alam. What does he do?
He is a politician.
Politician. That's very social worker.
Yes, sir.
He's a social worker. How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
2 brothers. What are their names?
Their names are Adlan and Sharjeel.
Who is your best brother? I mean, which one do you like the most?
I like both.
You like both. Okay. And how many sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters.
3 sisters. What are their names?
Their names are Manahil, Mahin and Zunaira.
And who is your favorite in your sisters?
All
are your favorite. And how many friends do you have?
I have no friends.
No friends? Oh, okay. And your classmates, who do you like the most?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Clapping for her. That's very good. Class 2.